I'm going over to a friend's house today. This is the last day of the Chinese New Year. And people are having a good time. So I was read a lot of articles and watched a lot more videos and was doing some thinking about these issues. And one thing that people should know is India is trading using gold now to trade with Iran. It's going to buy oil from Iran with gold, and that is really important. So, and then I was watching a few more videos about and trying to understand what the strange sounds are. I think those are pretty much fake, but I don't doubt that the military has the capability to bounce and reflect and project sounds, because sounds can produce feelings of awe, angst, fear, and there's even infrasound that we can't even hear that can vibrate in our bodies and give us eerie feelings. And when those frequencies interfere, they can even produce visible images. Like when they interact, I am not a scientist, so I don't really know, but when they interact, when I read it, I could understand it. But now that I'm talking about it, I don't completely understand it, although I'm sure it can be researched. And that is, frequencies that interfere can produce images and create like ghost-like figures and things like that. And I don't know, maybe mirages are produced like that. I don't know. So here's that same guy where the vegetables are, but I don't need vegetables today. Wow, it's cold. I need water. So I'm gonna get some water. One of those, please. Yes, yes. Ngoisai. So here's the neighborhood while I get my money out. So here's Soho Corner. Little birds up there, hungry. Eggs. Vegetables. Okay. Okay, so I got the water. Probably made by Coca-Cola with fluoride and a bunch of other weird stuff to penetrate our cells and minds. But anyway, there are important things that people should keep their minds on or give some thought to. For example, the food we eat, because Monsanto is definitely buying up all this seed places, and they just bought a bee company called Biologics, and the EPA has already admitted that they knowingly allowed pesticides that would kill the bees. So something's off with that. So the most important thing is each person is strong in their mind. Because I've had a lot of friends come to me in tears and looking for some advice, but what I've found is that you can't have two thoughts in your mind at the same time. So if you choose love, you can't feel fear. You can't have it. Fear is a habit. And all those programs, habitual thinking, every single thing counts. This is what I've learned. Every word, every thought, every feeling, every emotion is going to reverberate around you, in you. And it's each person's responsibility to take charge. These are forces within us, so it's getting scary. But I hope that all of us can do our part and not be scared. And getting some silver or gold, in my opinion, is a step in the right direction. I watched a lot of those people. Just a lot of things to keep our minds on, but look, this is beautiful stuff. This is from Austria. This one has musical instruments on it. No queen and no American eagle. I accidentally called it American Evil the other day. Okay, well, thanks for listening and all the best to everybody. Bye for now. Bye for now. It is cold here today, but no snow. No snow. Well, I said goodbye, so that's what I'm going to say. Goodbye. And I hope your ship comes in.